In this video lecture, I'm going to teach you about password in Python programming. Okay, so let's go ahead and require a user to input his or her password, and this password will have a lifeline. So if you input password up to 2 or 3 times and it's incorrect, you will never do that again. You will not be given chance to read again. So let's go ahead and set our password. So password is equal to, what could be the password? Let's go ahead and set the password is, I'm not going to use my name. Hello open, and I'm going to use 10 here, 10 is here, so hello open, that is the password. So now we're going to use a for loop to do that. So for A is in range of, let's give the user 3 times to check the password. So after 3 times, you will no longer check that one, so long as the password VSW is equal to input. And I'm going to say enter password. Enter password. So then V is equal to 2. So when you enter the first one, the first lifeline is gone, remaining 2. So if PSW, that is a password, is equivalent to password. If that is equivalent to password, then go ahead and print welcome. Or let's say access granted. Else, go ahead and say access denied. Access denied. Then password remains B minus A. So for each trial, and go ahead. Whoa. So whenever you check this, you have to break out. So let's go ahead and break out. Break. And go ahead and continue. If access is denied, you continue. Then we need a third user to try again. So go ahead and say print. I'm going to say try again. Okay, so let's go ahead. I will draw this up here. So let me go ahead and explain this code. So for the first time, using the for loop, you have file thread lifeline here. So when you put in the very first password, it's remaining 2. And if access is granted, then you have to start afresh. But if access is denied and the password is wrong, then it will remain just 1. That is B minus A. Okay? Then you will see try again. Let's go ahead and run that. Run this project, and that it says enter password, and I'm going to say hello and hit enter. Access denied. Enter password. And I'm going to say welcome. That is my welcome. Hit enter. Access denied. So if I click the last one and it is wrong, I will not have time to do that again. Say, hello. Access denied 0. You see that? Try again. So for me to try this, I have to run this project again. So let's go ahead and say that the password is hello open. That is the password, and access granted. You can try again if you want. Or if you want this to be printed only for when access is not granted, you go ahead and remove this from here and put that just right inside here so that it doesn't appear when access is granted. So run this project and let's check it out. So get it right password, hello, open, hit enter, access granted. You see that? Then let's run it one more time and check it out. And I'm going to say loop. You see access denied. Oh. So times remaining. Try again. See that? Try again. Enter password. Verse D. Access denied. Try again. And I'm going to say yes. Okay. You see that? I can't try anymore because access is no longer granted. So, if you want these two not to print out try again, that's an assignment for you. So go ahead and put an if statement that will say if b equals 0. If b equals 0, don't print out try again. Alright? So, go ahead and do that. It's an assignment for you to be able to brainstorm as a developer. But I've come to the end of password in Python, and it is your time to run this and put it down on your own system and check it out and make sure you get exactly the same thing or you twisted that more and better than mine. So, thank you so much, and if you have any question, please use the question and answer section and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.